got a package. So it is the new Scuba Pro. What the fuck it's called? At the new Scuba Pro Hydros 2. Comes in a little fancy backpack. It's such a smaller footprint than my Aqualung Rogue BC. I have been wanting Hydros, I don't know, since I started diving. Wow. So much more compact. All right, let's see if I can get into this. It's tiny. All right, so comes with a manual. Look at that. Backpack, pretty basic. Straps on the side so that you can put your fins. And then I guess just one main compartment. Right now. Okay. I feel like I might need those. Okay. Put these to the side. I think these are just for traveling. I don't think they're for anything else. Got the Air 2 on this. So, because I don't really like having a separate Octo. Personal preference, but not really my thing. So now, the real reason why I wanted this BC over my current BC is really because of the new monowrist. I have trouble with my Aqualung Rogue. I have issues with getting the weight pockets, and I really like the idea of just being able to slide.